Hello, folks. We have 10 a.m. news today. The nearest liquidity to the upside is 23,522, 23,520. We are around 10 handles short of the nearest swing high. We have our first presentation fair value up here on a 1 minute chart. This is our first presentation. So price just traced back into the first presentation. We need to see some kind of fair value gap after the rejection from this fair value gap. Lower time frame chart. Guys, I'm taking a shot here. It looks like we have an inversion fair value gap here. This would be my stop loss. Once we are below this midpoint, I'll try to add one more lot. I'm going one more lot short here. Once price crosses below this midpoint. And I'm adjusting my stop loss above the first presentation. If price closes above this first presentation fair value gap, I will reverse my trade. Price took our stop loss. I'm waiting for more clarity on the direction. So I'm going long, guys. So we are above again this 1 minute fair value gap, first presentation. So that is why again I went long. We have 1 minute bullish fair value gap here, which is also our first presentation. Guys, again price took our stop loss. So price is just chopping around here, back and forth. Still no clear direction. I think we have 10 a.m. news. I think price is waiting for the news. So once price went below these up close candles, I went short here. So now we are below this new day opening gap. This is the nearest to swing low. So I'm closing two partials here, guys. And I'm adjusting my stop loss. As long as price remains below this new day opening gap, we are still good with our shorts. I don't want price to close above this midpoint of the new day opening gap with the body. Now we have mitigation block here, down close candle, up close candle, and then we rejected from here. So this is a mitigation block. And this is the balanced price range from wick to wick, from this down close wick to up close wick. This is the balanced price range. Since price has offered both buy side and sell side here, price moved back and forth here. So I put my stop loss around just above 50% of this balanced price range. We have equal lows at 23,416. We have equal lows here. So I'll put one more limit order. Now we are in the macro window, guys. 950 macro, 950 to 1010. So price is again retracing into this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. We want price to stay below this new day opening gap. We have 10 o'clock news. We have here 1 minute inversion fair value gap. This bullish fair value gap engulfed here. So we had already price moved offered sell side here, which is balanced. Price has offered both buy side and sell side. We have back and forth movement here. So this is a balanced price range. So price should not go above this zone. So as long as price stays below this, I'm still holding my shorts. If price crosses this balanced price range, then I'm going to take my stop out. Probably I'll reverse my trade. $950 macro and 10 a.m. news, guys. Price took my stop loss again. So we are above this 1 minute first presentation fair value gap. Price took the buy side again, price took the sell side again, it is reversing. No clear direction, guys. Again, still back and forth. No clear direction. I should have taken here one more partial out. That was my mistake. Price came again, just touched our 1 minute bullish fair value gap, which is reclaimed here. This 1 minute bullish fair value gap price, it has been reclaimed here after closure of the after this green candle closed again above this bullish fair value gap. We reclaimed it, so price just touched it and just now moving away. So this is where I added 2 more contracts. I'm keeping my stop loss at the lower side of this bullish order block. So now we have equal highs, equal lows. So 90 seconds more to the for the news, guys. 10 o'clock news, orange folder news. So this is our first presentation, 1 minute. Price is still consolidating here inside this. We need some kind of momentum here. Five more seconds to the news, 10 o'clock news. Price is struggling to close above this new day opening gap. So again, we are inside again our first 1 minute presentation. First presentation fair value gap. We need to close above this with the body, with the new day opening gap, with the body. No closure above this yet. Price is still consolidating. Not much impact of the 10 o'clock news since it is orange folder, not red folder. Still consolidating back and forth. This candle. Still unable to close above the midpoint of this new day opening gap. Still we are seeing a lot of rejections from this new day opening gap. Price is struggling to close above this new day opening gap. A lot after seeing this huge momentum candle trying to cross above this new day opening gap. This is yesterday's Asian sessions. So we had a closure above with the body above this new day opening gap. But we need to see some kind of momentum beyond this. So we have a swing low here. Still no clear direction, complete consolidation here, back and forth. So this was a small stop hunt into this rejection block, lowest down close candle. We need to close above these down close candles, guys, so that this will become a bullish order block. From 29 to 71. 70. Still struggling inside this new day opening app. We need a closure above this, guys, with the body. This is looking good. Oh, server cancel. So this is a bullish fair value gap on a daily chart. I have a rejection here. Should I have taken my profits? Guys, I'm going short again. Because on a 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart price never closed above this new day opening gap. In the previous trade, I should have taken my take profits. So I gave everything to the market back. So that is why partials are important, guys. We need to take partials at crucial intervals where there is liquidity is residing. Nearest to the nearest swing lows, or swing highs or imbalances. So now we are still inside the first presentation fair value gap. We need a we need to close below this with the body. But on a 15-second chart, already this is a breaker. This down close candle, up close candle, and then down close candle. Price came back to this breaker again, rejected from here. On a 15-second chart, this is a breaker. But we need a strong rejection from here, guys. We need some huge momentum candles. Price just can't consolidate here. Took stop out again. See, we have no clear direction till now. The price is just going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. We don't have any fair value gaps or good follow through of this strong candle. Thursday we have huge news on dollar GDP. So I think that is where price is trying to build liquidity. That is why there is no movement. So we have very high resistance. These quadrants are bearish fair value gap on a 15-minute chart. So I'm trying to see whether we break through this bearish fair value gap or we'll reject from the midpoint of the bearish fair value gap. Since we closed above the midpoint of the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, this is a good sign for longs. Mm-hmm. 71, 71. So we have almost 70 seconds for the closure of the 5-minute candle. If it closes above this 15-minute fair value gap on a closing basis, still hold our longs. These levels are gold back levels, guys. So price rejected from level 29. So it will try to mirror the same thing. So again at 29 it got price gave one more opportunity for buys. So the nearest swing high is around 573. 573 is the nearest swing high. Next nearest swing high. And we have event horizon at around 551. 551. If price crosses 551 with energy, then it will go to this new week opening gap. Because event horizon is a PD array between two new week opening gaps or two new day opening gaps. So the next event horizon is around 551. If price crosses this 551 with good momentum candle, then we can expect a follow through to the new week opening gap. This is the event horizon, guys, 551.25. So when price reaches event horizon, so I'll try to take some partials here. I'll try to close. This is the midpoint of the 15-minute fair value gap, this red line. And we have VIC2 here, which is a balanced price range because price delivered both buy side and sell side. This is the balanced price range, exactly at the midpoint of the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So I don't want to see price to go below this midpoint. So this is a good indication, guys. This 15-minute fair value gap closed above this 15-minute bearish fair value gap with a single candle, which is very good. Now we have a balanced price range on a 15-minute chart. So price should not close below this midpoint of the 15-minute inversion fair value gap with the body. As VIX can come down below this midpoint, but it should never go with the bodies, close with the bodies. Since price has completely engulfed this bearish fair value gap, 15-minute bearish fair value gap with a single candle, which is very good for longs. Price is just teasing my partial take profit. The price is trying to absorb more liquidity here, more buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. This is the balance price range, guys, on a 15-minute chart. So price should not cross this midpoint. We have a balance price range on 1 minute also, wick to wick. So price just came into this 5-minute fair value gap now. Of the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So price completely engulfed that 15-minute bearish fair value gap on a 15-minute chart with a single candle. So that is where we have inversion. So now price took this swing low, and this is the balance price range. Price should not cross this red line, this midpoint. Price comes into this equilibrium. I'll try to add one more lot. Once price closes above these three down close candles, it will behave as a bullish order block. We are inside this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So price is inside this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. This 1 minute bullish fair value gap. If price crosses above these down close candles, we have a bullish order block. Now we have bullish order block confirmed since price closed down close candles. Trying to absorb more liquidity again. Okay. So I'm adding one more lot here, guys. I told you when price comes into this equilibrium, this wick to wick, I'll add one more lot here. So I added one more lot. So on a 15-minute candle chart, we have an immediate rebalance to the previous candle. Now we want to see price to close again above this 1 minute bullish fair value gap so that it will reclaim it again, go up. See this, wicks are closing below the midpoint, whereas bodies are above the equilibrium. This is a good sign, guys. But we need to see momentum from here. Price has to give a huge momentum candle to the upside. We have down close candle. There's a bullish order block with the fair value gap. We are still good for longs. But we need to see some moment up close candles, guys. We need closure again above this midpoint, guys. We need to have some rejection from this bullish order block. This is the down close candle up, and we have followed by a bullish or fair value gap. So we need to see some strong rejection from here to the upside. Price has, yeah, yes. Once it reclaims this bullish fair value gap, then we are still good to go longs. But price has to close above this bullish fair value gap again. This has become an inversion fair value gap, but price did not give any momentum from here, any kind of fair, did not get any kind of bearish fair value up to the downside. So still we are looking for longs. It's not, this is not looking good, guys. Price completely we need to close above this equilibrium, guys, with the body, We don't want to see any rejection to the downside. We want to see a momentum candle close above this midpoint, this red line. So price almost closed above this midpoint. So I added two more lots. This is good, guys. Now price again. We have 5 more seconds to go. I want this candle to close above this equilibrium. So this is a good closure. We closed above this equilibrium again. So our longs are still holding. Once we cross this 1 minute fair value gap, then it will become a reclaimed bullish fair value gap. We need a closure again with the body above this bullish fair value gap. That's a good sign, guys. Good. So we are on the right side of the price. So I'm closing almost 10 lots here, guys, just above these swing highs. Once price closes above the swing highs, I'll adjust my stop loss. I will adjust my stop loss. Six, 26. Yeah. So we almost record our complete loss for today's morning session. So we're almost break even. Five-minute chart, we have volume imbalance here. This is a very high resistance environment, guys. Oh. So I just want to put my stop loss to the midpoint of this bullish order block. As long as price is above this midpoint of the bullish order block, we are still good for longs. See, this is such a high resistance environment. So much back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The event horizon PDRA, I said, guys, I told you right at 551. So see this 551, we have rejection from here, but price still did not close with the body above this. If price closes above this with the body, then our next target will be this new week opening gap. But we need to close above 551, 551.25. So we are still inside this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. Probably smart money is accumulating more orders here. These high resistance days are the days which will test your patience, guys. This is what will make the real traders. This is what differentiate between the real traders and novice. I myself lost control. I did some oversizing here after losing some trades. So still struggling with emotional control. Not looking, guys. This is not looking good. Price is banging again this equilibrium. We need to see some strong momentum from this equilibrium. But price is just banging around. You can see back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Clear momentum. I think they are building all this liquidity for the red folder event. Thursday and Friday. Guys, I don't want to be spending more time in this shop. I want to close my trade. So I closed 3 lots here. So almost $500 in profit for today's AM session after making almost $3,000 loss. So recovered the entire loss. This is good, guys. This is a good momentum candle. But we need to close above event horizon 23,551.50. We need to close with the body above this event horizon. If we close above this event horizon with the body, then we can target the next target will be this new week opening gap. So we are in the macro window, 1050 macro, 1050 to 1110. So we expect some kind of price pooling or or stop hunt here in this macro window. So the price is struggling to cross that event horizon which I mentioned, 23,551. See, this is my 15-minute chart. I have an indicator which plots this event horizon. You can clearly see this purple line, dotted purple line. This is the event horizon. Price is struggling to close above this. That's it, guys. Price is just shopping around. I think we'll have good price run on the red folder news events on Thursday and Friday. So I'll try to close my trade here and I'll try to exit the stream. So for today's AM session, finally we are around $750 in profit. But I took huge losses here. You can see I took huge losses here, huge red. So these are the things I need to control. I need to size down here. So I need to do is more patience, more discipline. This is my fifth day of streaming. Almost consistently every day at the end of the stream, I stated my PNL is positive. So today I wanted to do that, have a positive PNL. So I was kind of doing a revenge trading after taking these two losses. These losses, yeah, these two losses. Once I took these two huge losses, I wanted to close positive. So I started sizing up. You can see here, 2 units. I started sizing up here, 6 units. I went for 6 units and 8 units. That's where I took my huge losses. So if I would have controlled my size here, my risk would have been far less. But it's part of the struggle, guys. It's part of the struggle. So at the end of the day, still stayed positive, made $750. This is a demo account. Okay. That's it, guys. There is nothing much here. Price is just banging around. No clear momentum. See, back and forth, back and forth. So I don't want to waste my time here. That's it, guys. Take care. Bye.